and welcome to a new video from Mark George. Today we're going to complete the series of the Chrome commands. As I said before, keep up. In this video, I'll show you 3 to finish all of the commands in just 3 videos, and now we have a 4 video series. But now I'll start with the first 3. I have the flags in the beginning, but the problem is that the flags is hard, and we want to make the hard like scenic internals, net internals, quote internals, and flags in the last videos. To take, for example, I can make if scenic internals or any internal or any flag is hard, because I'm gonna tell you every specific detail you need to know, then I'll make its own video. But just I don't know yet if I'll make it in one video or 3 videos. So now let's start with the first 3. They're easy, but just you can access them from the command. So we first have the Chrome extensions. As we said, Chrome extensions goes from here. Just 1 minute to write it. Chrome extensions, as we know. Then we open them from here. See, now I have my extensions here. So we have here the apps, Chrome apps, and we have here the Chrome extensions. So we're gonna open the developer mode off. Off and on. So if we just make this on, so we now have load, unpacked, and back extension and update, but we can turn it off. Google Docs offline, and I have all of these for my Chrome. To be better, I made a video on the best 5 5 extensions. You can watch it in my channel videos. And so that's it. You just click here, maybe keyboard shortcuts. From here, activate the extension. They're all disabled for me. Then we have the Chrome history. So what the history is, what you searched. So for example, see this, we have Twitter. So if we go here and type, let's say we want the typing test, the key hero typing test. If we go to the history and then refresh, we'll find the key hero. So if we closed it by mistake, you'll find it here. So I have here the shopping on Amazon, and we have here my starter pages listed in today's history for my Chrome. Then we have the bookmarks. We can get it from the settings here, but just you can get it easier. Not from the settings, from the bookmarks here. But you can just get them from here. So we write Chrome, then bookmarks. Then we have our bookmarks. So here I have my bookmarks bar, social media, that's the folder here. Then we have this cool, which is the folder here. Then we have the plus in this folder, the games, typing, YouTube, programming, and I have all these listed in my programs bar here. I can choose from other bookmarks, which is there, and mobile bookmarks, which are unique. So you will not see the bookmarks bar from your regular seeing Chrome, but you can see it. But I'm not doing mobile tutorials on this channel, so maybe I'll tell you one time. But to finish this bookmarks, you'll need to go to there. So you will wonder that why is there this ID equals 7. So just if you go here to the bookmarks bar, you'll see it didn't go to anything. But this folder, for example, plus. So we have here the ID. My ID gives you the bookmark folder ID. So if you go here to school and then to French, So you have your ID equal 42, right? But if we go here to the Chrome, then I'm writing slow because I'm writing with one hand. So here Chrome, and you'll see the bookmarks. See it again with nothing. So every single folder and a folder inside the folder has its own ID. You can have a new tab easily by writing Chrome and then new tab. But one disadvantage that it will overwrite what you're seeing. So if we go here to this, then we have these. So if we go here and write Chrome new tab, then we'll override it and open the new tab. So that's it for today's video, guys. Hope you liked it, and if you did so, please like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications bell so you won't miss my future videos. Also, don't forget to tell me what tutorial you want next time so I can make it to you. Quick note, I've started a YouTube hobbies channel, and I've said this note in a couple of videos before this one. So I hope that my subscribers go there, and I'm uploading a huge video on there soon. So thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next video.